Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to join Roblox Anime Card Clash. So guys, open Roblox and the search bar search for Anime Card Clash. This is the one result. After that guys, wait to loading this page. Make sure this is correct server. From here click this icon and make this is by RNG Lab, and this is the games. To join this Discord server guys, make sure you have social links for join for updates. Just click this one. After that guys, wait to loading this quick page and click accept invite, and then opening the Discord server and just wait. From here click must complete some steps before you can talk, and click I submit. You should read this and agree this rules and term and conditions, and click submit. And you must be member last minute, and you can send message for this after this time you can send a message. This is how you can do. I hope this video for you, and don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon.